Okay. Okay, I've got this all done. Okay. So. Okay, so. Daddy, can you hold this? Okay, so.
Where are you gonna do stuff?
I'm making it over here. Make sure it gets all up. So today can you watch the camera? To make sure that we get perfect, okay. And she's gonna have the most perfect one that I made. Here's a good one. So, we're gonna make these little candy canes for your dolls.
You
So
gotta hold it over here.
Over here.
Oh, right here.
So, today we're making these little candy canes for your dolls. So, you're going to need a bowl that's bigger than your hand and bigger than what I'm about to show you. So you're going to need a bowl. Safety goggles. I'm going to put these on. Just any glasses are okay. Everything's orange. Okay, you're going to need a pair of pliers or wire cutters. And you're going to need, what are these called, Dad?
Paperclip?
And we're going to need paper clips. So, Dad can't tell me where I had to go.
What?
Okay, so I do it down here. I'm moving my pre-made candy canes over. So you have your bowl. I had to get this on. There are things. And then here I'm gonna do a blue. And you take these and you take them out like that, and then you take this. See this tinier part? If you want to make a big one, take this part, but what you do is you bend this out. Depends on which side it doesn't really depend on which side you use. And cut with your pliers in the bowl so that it doesn't go flying in the bowl, and that catches it. So you should have a little L shape. And take the pliers again, or your wire cutters. Tip the edge and just turn until you have the right shape that you want. So you have like a little candy cane. And that's what you get. I'm gonna make a few more. These scraps you can make more candy canes out of, or here, I'm gonna make a tiny one. These tiny ones are hard to turn, so you might want to try to use something different for the tiny ones. And look at how tiny that is! Ah, it went flying. Okay, we got this little guy. So I have these guys left and place them there, but you can make as many as you want. I made quite a lot. Oh! Whoa! You can also use metal candy canes. If you don't have any striped ones like I did, you can use metal candy canes, and look, you get these shiny little ones. Stop it. Goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, and see you in the next video from SmartyMomoBo.